Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the question, is BMO Bank the same as Bank of Montreal? The short answer is yes, they are the same. BMO is the abbreviated name for the Bank of Montreal. The name BMO is used for all the various components of the financial group. The Bank of Montreal was founded in 1817 and is Canada's oldest incorporated bank. It is one of Canada's largest banks and has a major presence in the United States, operating as BMO Financial Group. In the U.S., its commercial and retail banking is branded simply as BMO Bank. So, when you see BMO, whether it's on a credit card, a website, or a building, you're looking at a part of the Bank of Montreal. The company uses this unified branding to represent its operations across Canada and the U.S. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.